In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of your Google Pixel phone frequently losing signal. This guide will walk you through a series of troubleshooting steps to help restore a stable connection. Begin by checking the signal strength on your Google Pixel phone. Look for the signal bars displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. Ensure that your SIM card is properly inserted and active. To do this, locate the SIM tray on the side of your device and use a SIM eject tool to remove the SIM card. Carefully inspect the card for any damage before reinserting it back into the tray. After this, try moving to a different location to rule out any potential coverage issues. This initial step is essential in determining whether the problem is related to your network provider. Next, navigate to the settings menu to reset your network settings. Start by tapping on the settings app on your home screen. Once in the settings, scroll down and select system. From there, tap on reset options. In this menu, you will see the option labeled Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Select this option to clear your existing network configurations. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm the action and wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. After the reset, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and mobile networks, as this step often resolves configuration errors that can lead to signal issues. After resetting the network settings, it is important to check for any available software updates on your device. Go back to the settings app and scroll to find the About Phone section. Tap on System Updates to see if there are any updates ready to install. If updates are available, follow the prompts to download and install them. Once the updates are installed, restart your phone to refresh the system. This process helps fix bugs that may be affecting your signal stability. After your device restarts, test your connection to see if the signal issue persists. If you continue to experience problems with signal loss after following these steps, it may be beneficial to contact your carrier for further assistance. They can provide insights into any service outages in your area or check the status of your account. Your Google Pixel should now ideally maintain a stable signal, making it easier to stay connected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.